If you wondered how creators turn passion into profits. In this tutorial, we will reveal the secrets to maximize your Patreon experience. Whether you are an artist, writer, or content creator, join us to discover how to build a community, earn sustainable income, and connect with your biggest fan. Let's get started on your journey to success. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you step by step how to use Patreon tutorials. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into patreon.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So first of all, what is Patreon? Patreon is a membership platform that enables creators to earn a sustainable income by providing exclusive content and experiences to their supporters or patrons. It serves as a bridge between creators such as artists, musicians, and writers, and also podcasters, and their audience, allowing fans to financially support their work on a recurring basis. By offering various membership tiers, creators can provide different levels of access and perks, fostering a closer connection with their community. In essence, Patreon empowers creators to monetize their content while giving patrons a way to directly support the artists they love, creating a symbiotic relationship that benefits both parties. So to get started, all you have to do is click over get started and you write your email address and your password, and then you will find the account. So I will click over login because I already signed up. I will write my email address and then I will click over continue. Once you do that, you write your password, then you click over continue again. So this is the home page as you can see. It's choosing the creator. So we have the home page here. So using our Patreon is a straightforward and can be broken down into a few key steps. First, create an account on the Patreon website and set up your creator profile, which includes your bio, profile picture, and a compelling description of what you offer. Next, define your membership tiers, outlining different levels of support and the exclusive rewards Patreon will receive at each tier. Once your tiers are set, customize your Patreon with engaging visuals and content that reflects your brand. After that, promote your Patreon page through your social media channels, website, or email newsletter to attract potential patrons. Finally, consistently deliver on your promises by providing valuable content and engaging with your community to build lasting relationships with your supporters. With dedication and creativity, you can turn your passion into a sustainable income stream on Patreon. So here we have in the home, your Patreon is ready. Here is how to make it yours. First, add some details help visitors learn more about you and what you plan to share here. You have here add a profile photo, then describe your page, let people know who are you and what you will be using Patreon for. Then you have make your first public post, let fans know what to expect with a welcome post or a bonus piece of work that's available to everyone. Then public posts are shared more and can bring in more visitors. Publish your page. This is it. It's time to go live with your page. Then tell people here, share your page with your audience so people can start joining. So you have just to click over it. For example, here, once you've done the first one, you move to another one, describe your page, intro video, then you have here bio, social, you can use also Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Twitch, TikTok, and then we have the second one, which is make your first public post. For example, here text, image, links, video, audio, poll, is live stream. Then we have here publish your page. This is it, as you can see. So make your first post, you click over the one you want. For example, I will choose text. Once you do that, you will find this page, which is create text post. You can add a title here, tell your members what you are working. Then we have your attachment also, you can upload it, and this is it. Then we have your collection. You can just create here collection. You can add a title, description also, and here you write upload your image and you click over create collection. So let's come back to the home page. So then we have your collections also. About collections, as you can see, you can just create your collection. Then, as I did before, we have your membership also. So about membership, we have you build your paid membership. Income you can count on. Earn requiring income from your biggest fans. Start with what you have. Offer something you are already excited to share with your friends, plus some added perks. Then we have grow your creative business. Get insights on your members, create exclusive member only chats and more. You can just get started. Once you click over get started, you will find this page. Choose what to offer. We have here what benefits should I offer. First, bonus content, behind the scenes content, access to a community chat, member only voting, then we have early access, and you click over next. You write here customized tier, write your name, monthly price, and you add a description here. Then you have cover image, you add cover image. You have tier benefits here, let your members know what they can expect from this membership. Tier add benefits here. Browse recommended benefits, get inspiration from our library of popular benefits that members love. For example, customer benefits, you can just add this general support, add free content, add free episodes, add free videos, behind the scenes content, commissions again here, but this one delivered by mail. Then you have delivery digital downloads, early tickets, and we have various things here. You can just add the one you want. Then you have your free trial. About this one, allow members to try this tile for 7 days before charging time. Then you can just switch on or switch off. Then we have here advanced also. Tile settings, ask members for a shipping address in this checkout, and then we have a limited number of members who can join. For example, I will choose 1 million. And then we have your Discord access. Manage Discord access in Discord settings. We have also configure fate. Sales tax on your tire is configurable when you have added 2 or more benefits. Then you click over save once you do all that. So this is about membership. Then we have here also about here. As you can see, we have here introduce yourself, help people come into your page, get to know you, share more about who you are, and what you create, and why you are a patron. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.